This is how the Padlock of love looks like. This is that from down.
I am Macy, Macy, moving through the night. Cook up love with spice, turn longing to right. From a town of joy to the city's glow, wherever I go, my love will show. I am Macy, Macy, spreading love all around. In every taste, in every sound. From kitchens to hearts behind the scenes, I'm a mother with God's dreams. In the morning light, I gather the news, whisper tales that shake off the blues. With apron tight and a heart so pure, every dish a blessing, that's for sure. I am Macy, Macy, spreading love all around. In every taste, in every sound. From kitchens to hearts behind the scenes, I'm a mother with God's dreams.
Old ferry in Kilifi. It's called Old Ferry because there used to be a ferry that used to cross people to the other side so that they can go to Mombasa. That's why it was called Old Ferry. But right now, the bridge was built, so there is no ferry here. Now it is just if you want to get to ride on a boat, you come and ride their boats. But nowadays the coast region business of tourism is not that so good. Yeah. So this is the view of the Old Ferry. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, like, share, ring that notification bell so that when I upload another video, you'll get the notification. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always passing by to watch my videos. I'm in Kilifi and I'm bringing here a video on Padlock of love. I don't know if you've heard about it. There's two lovers. You make a commitment, you come with a padlock, you lock it and you throw your keys to the sea. For you to separate, you have to get that key if you want to leave each other. So that commitment, once done, it's never broken. So here it is. Here it is the Padlock of love. This is the Padlock of love. You can see here, it's written in, the first one is in Italian, The second is Padlock of Love in English, and in Swahili it is Kifuri ya Mapenzi. So this place was started by an Italian, and he is the owner of this restaurant down here. So this is how the Padlock of Love looks like. This is the Padlock of Love from down. The padlock starts from down. There's someone who decided to put theirs down here. Come up here, up like this, and here are the most padlocks. So here you make commitment with your partner, and when you lock the padlock, there is no unlocking it. You throw the keys in the sea. You walk by this place here and throw the keys. And once you throw, that is a lifetime commitment, because if you have to break the commitment, you have to get the keys and unlock the padlock. So how are you going to get the key? That's the question, because once you throw, you cannot find. So it is a lifetime commitment. So when you are making that decision to come and lock the padlock here, my friend, you have to be ready. You have to evaluate that decision first, because if anything happens, you have to stick, because you've made a lifetime commitment. Yeah. This place was started by Italian, as I said before. It was started by an Italian. He's the first person to come and lock the key here. I don't know what was in his mind when he was doing this, and you can see so many people have followed it. Yeah, we are looking for a partner that will come and lock our padlock here. Where is my partner? Oh, if you are there, come. We're gonna lock our padlock. Padlock of Love is in Kilifi County, and specifically in Kilifi town at Old Ferry. It was started like, I think, 2015. So when we were about to leave, this guy came. He works in the restaurant just there, and he was so friendly, and he offered to explain to us. So it's in Swahili. He can't speak English.
Hapo mnaapa kwamba mimi fulani wa fulani nitakubali kukaa na yeye kila kitu
mpaka kifo tutengani.
Alafu unafunga kufuli yako, unachukua funguo, unashuka polepole, mtu wawili bako restaurant, unarusha funguo kwa bahari.
That's the story of the Padlock of Love. So guys, if you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. Don't forget to give a like. See you in my next video. Bye. My partner, I'm waiting for you to come and do the necessary.